guys, this is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to clean out my fridge. My fridge is really disgusting right now. I usually try to clean it out like every week or every 2 weeks, but I've been really busy this month, so it's gotten really nasty. So I need to clean it out completely, so I want to show you how to do that, and let's get started. So my fridge is pretty nasty at this point. I haven't cleaned it out in probably over a month, which is kind of embarrassing, but that's the way life goes sometimes. Usually I take out all of the shelving units and the drawers and wash everything very deeply, so that's what I'm going to do today. So here's the fridge all cleaned out. It took me probably half the day to do this, but it was well worth it. It looks wonderful, it smells wonderful, and I just love a clean fridge. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos on health and nutrition and sometimes cleaning like today. And visit me on my blog. It's nicolesnaturals.blog, and we'll see you next time.